Yo, it's your boy Uncle Tops. Ayakhatha nikwazi ukwenza izinto mina. Yo, ijana ikwazi ba iboy kalo. Zifanele aba extra small bangomavusane ezantweni. Yo, it's your boy Oleg. A whole fucking jana ukuthiwa inxiba size 12 to 13. But ke asikho lapho namhlanje guys. This is just a quick reminder guys. Saturday nge-14 kaFebruary sise Hemingways eMonti. iVascom Comedy Show is celebrating its 10th year anniversary. Yazi kunzima kanjani to do anything for 10 years. Abanye soze bawunuke kwa umjolo zawulasta that long. Yo kwaba sisanda fondini every 3 months umuntu une-love of my life and abanye zange bayenze la 10 years nasesikolweni umuntu wafeyila u-standard 6 kayi-2 wathi tech yiking yesigaxa ngokapha ko-Facebook for akhona ngayi-analyze you-ajuwisha no-doctor. But ke asikho lapho namhlanje guys. If you are in and around iMonti ngala 14 kaFebruary, come through man guys. Amatikiti yi-200 early bird. I don't know if asekhona na, but you can check ku-web tickets. Ngizayifaka ilink apha ku-comments. I-Valentine's Day ke ngalamini izithandane are welcome to come through. Ayazi ukuthi a couple that loves together stays together. Uziqonda uba umjolo yijoke nyani. Kutele nokuthiwa niyahlekisana nje. Then bayikwenye indlela mina obekwa ngayo nafoni siyahlekisana. Kuyadlalwa mazapho.